Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. Topic of this video is paste special. These are different from the normal copy paste feature. There are a variety of other things that we can do with the paste special option. Here, grand total is a cell with a formula. If we copy paste this value in another cell, an error is shown. This is because the corresponding cells by the help of which this formula works are not present nearby the pasted cell. But we need the value. To get the value, first copy the cell and click on the desired location. Go to Clipboard in Home tab and click on Paste. At the bottom, we can see the Paste Special option. In the Paste Special window, click on Values and click OK. Now we will get the value without the formula. This option is required to get a copy of the value from a cell with a formula. Let us add a certain value to the data in the quantity column. Usually, we do it using formulas. After we get the result, we remove the formulas. But now, it is even better. Type 10 in a cell and copy it. Then select the whole quantity column and then select Paste Special. In the Paste Special window, towards the bottom in the Operations section, click on Add and then OK. We can see that the value 10 is added to the whole quantity column. Benefit of this feature is that we don't have to use any formulas for this task. Let us add 10% to the whole data in the price column. 10% can be added by multiplying it with 1.1. So we will type 1.1 in a column and copy it. Then select the price column and in the Paste Special window, we will select multiply, which is on the right hand side. As you can see, we were able to add 10% without the help of any formulas, but with Paste Special option. So it is a time saving option as it saves us the task of doing it manually in each and every cell. Now, we will reduce 10 in quantity column. We will type 10 in a column and copy it. We will select the quantity column and in the Paste Special window, we will select Subtract. We got 10 reduced from quantity. Here also, we are not using formulas. Practically, we need these operations in our work. Utilizing this feature can make our work easier. Let us change the direction of data from vertical to horizontal. Copy the required column and click on a desired location and use Alt-ES, which is the short key for Paste Special. In the Paste Special window, click on the Transpose option, which is at the right bottom, and click OK. We can see the vertical data has changed its direction to horizontal. The same option can be used to change from horizontal to vertical. This is a time-saving option which saves us the task of copy-pasting each cell data and can be easily done even in very large data. In a financial data, debit and credit will be in separate columns. We want all this data in a single column. Data in column M should be saved directly in the empty cells of column K. But when we copy-paste this data from column M, all the data from column K is lost. To avoid this, first copy the data in column M and select column K, and in Paste Special window, select Skip Blanks option, which is towards the left bottom side. On clicking on OK, the blank cells in column M is skipped and only the data in column M is pasted here. This option, which was done using formulas, is easily done through Paste Special feature. We would like the changes to be reflected from the original data to its copy in the reporting section. To achieve this, copy the required data and click on the destination cell and click on Paste Link option in the Paste Special window. This will create its copy. We can see that changes made in the original data is reflected in its copy. With that said, I'm signing off. Let us meet again in a new video with a new topic.